How to change the work mode in Codex desktop. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll guide you how you can change your work mode in the Codex desktop application. So if you wish to change the current setup of your Codex and wish to change the working mode, then here are the steps that you need to follow. First, click on to the settings option at the bottom left side, and once you click onto the settings, you will again need to click onto the settings option, or alternatively you can press the control and the comma button to head on to the general settings. Now within the general settings you will see this first option, that is work mode, and you can choose how much technical detail Codex shows. So here we have two options. The first one is for coding, which means more technical responses, whereas the another one is for everyday uses. This means same power, less technical detail. So you can choose any one of them by simply tapping onto the same, and your codex will be configured according to your preferred work mode. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.